Okay, in case you didn't know, I am your instructor, Ginger, Dr. Charles, Sarge, whatever you feel like calling me. And I came up with this idea for all of my classes that I would do a lecture each week for about 5 weeks about authentic writing. I normally give this class for Saybrook University for the orientation for new students. But yet I thought it's probably really important to give to, one, my information competency students at Saybrook University, and then also my social psychology students at Modesto Junior College, as well as my lifespan development students at Modesto Junior College. So I'm going to speak to you for the next 5 weeks, 5-minute snippets at the most, on authentic writing. I think it really helps set you up to have you understand a little bit more about, when I get picky about how you're writing your posts or your papers. So here we go. So what does it mean to write authentically? One of the most difficult things as we go into our college career is, how do we write for a professor? How do we get our meaning across to a professor? And so Saybrook University hired me at one point to present this course on authentic writing. So let's just start off with that. What does that mean? So here's an example. As you know, I'm a retired police officer. While I was a police officer, I was going to school for my master's at one point when I graduated, then my doctorate. And I love to tell stories, and so I think that's a really important piece as far as relating our research or our information or education to the story for people to learn. But I also thought if I took examples from my lived experience, from my work life, and apply those examples to the concepts that I was learning, that one, it would be valuable for me because it would demonstrate that I understand the concept, and two, it would be interesting to my professor. So I'm telling you, it worked. It worked great. So that's why I teach the course. So there's a Coca-Cola truck right here, backing up. Wow. Anyway, so when we talk about using our own voice, that's what I mean. I'm not going to talk to you too long about this. This is just an intro. So information competency for folks, you're now looking at fair use access, and what does that mean, and copyright. So you're establishing your own voice. You're using that information. That's why you had the prompt, tell me about a time that you failed, so that you can personalize this as far as how you went forward and got into your graduate work. For social psychology and lifespan development, you're taking a concept that we discuss in class and you're applying your own experiences in order to enrich your learning about that concept. Then as you talk to your other classmates about that concept, you're enriching their lives by further expanding the concept with them and them teaching you as well. That's what I mean. That's exactly what I mean by authentic voice and authentic writing. So there's our start. Let's have a great week.